So ayun guys, naka-receive na tayo dyan ng advance order through WhatsApp ng 2 beef bulalo and 1 sinigang na hipon guys. Bali nag-advance order sila madam guys ng 2 beef bulalo at 1 sinigang na hipon para pag dumating na sila dito daw guys, kakain na sila diretso guys. So nung dumating na nga sila madam guys, nakaupo sila sa table number 1 guys at sakto paluto na rin yung in-order nilang 2 beef bulalo at 1 sinigang na hipon guys sa GFH Street Restaurant. Once again guys, once you order your food, that's the time only we cook and prepare your food so you can guarantee your food have good quality and safety food for your happiness and satisfaction. Good food, good mood. Everyday fresh, quality goods. So ayun na nga guys, new timings ng GFH Street Restaurant is we're open at 11 in the morning guys and we're closed at 2 in the morning guys. So between 11 o'clock and 2 in the morning guys, you can do order and deliver your favorite food combination at your GFH Street Restaurant. Ang link ng delivery services namin guys nasa comment section na guys. Please click this one and automatically you will find your GFH Street Restaurant. So once again guys, thank you so much for your support. Keep on grinding. Have a great and blessed day to everyone. Assalamualaikum. Peace out. Thank you guys.